old era was good, if old era was good according to you, so why did the people change it from old era to modern era? Just reply.
It's the same as why people of this generation are trying to travel or trying to move away from cities. They are preferring like mountains to live in peace. So that if city life is better, like it's almost the same as modern era. No, you said that why people had wanted to change like old era to modern era, right? That's what I am saying. That's why that people of today's era, why are they planning trips to outer areas where the crowd is very less? Why
First of all, listen to me that you have asked a very wonderful, I salute you. People are trying to travel. People are trying to explore new things, such as if we go in a mountain, so we will learn lots of things. We will explore lots of things. So by that we are just taking, knowledge. But what happened in old era? What about that?
Why are people buying farmhouses in like very less populated areas? Because they want peace, right? They are preferring like peaceful life over
So you're saying that why we shifted from old era to modern era, but yeah, we shifted because of our needs, but now we do realize that we need to go to back to old era just because of your food habits, because of your eating habits, physical activities and all those things. We do think that doing physical work, eating healthy foods, people are changing their habits into yoga, eating healthy foods and other lifestyles, and they are, see why at current time you are using air diffuser and your air purifier, because we don't have better environment to live in. But because of that we are trying to shift those modern era into old era by using those diffusers and all those things just to get pure air. At that time we had pure air. Yeah, sure, continue.
I would like to say that old era was problem, but now modern era is the problem of solution. If we have any kind of problem, we can solve it just a minute.
But by using the methods of old era.
Now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't you think that taking air by this electricity, it was in old era? Do you think that traveling by bike?
At that time, the climate was also not like this. We have now. We have lot of problems like weather is very hot and global climates and also those things, but at that time the environment was very peaceful, climate was very nice, and winters were not that extreme, summers were not that extreme. So because of that,
By you, I would like to say earlier I mentioned a point that if we have a problem, modern era is a problem of solution. We can solve any problem. So you need to understand.
exactly, modern era is a problem of solution, right? But you have problem. We didn't have problem. We didn't have problem to